Welcome to Smart Story Studio, where timeless truths come alive through powerful scripture stories filled with lessons, emotions, and transformation. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe so you never miss any of our weekly uploads. Now, let's dive in. In the ancient land of Egypt, where the sun cast long shadows over the golden deserts, the Israelites yearned for freedom from the tyranny of Pharaoh. Believing that Musa, AS, was the chosen prophet, they sought his guidance. With unwavering trust in Allah, Prophet Musa reassured them of divine deliverance. One evening, under the veil of night, Prophet Musa gathered his people. The moonlight illuminated their path as they walked silently towards the Red Sea, leaving behind the burdens of slavery. The journey was fraught with fear and hope as the Israelites followed their prophet, trusting the unseen plan of Allah. As dawn broke, Pharaoh's army was seen in pursuit, the sound of their chariots growing louder, echoing the impending doom. Terror gripped the hearts of the Israelites, their path blocked by the unyielding sea and Pharaoh closing in. Panic threatened to overpower their faith. In this moment of dire need, Prophet Musa turned to the heavens and raised his staff, assured of Allah's promise. With faith as his ally, he struck the sea. At once, the waters parted in a miraculous display of divine power, revealing a path flanked by towering walls of water. The Israelites stood in awe at the wonder before them. They hurried through the passage, their fears quelled by Musa's unwavering belief. As the last of them set foot on the opposite shore, Pharaoh's army entered the path, blinded by arrogance and disbelief. Once the Israelites were safe, the sea closed upon Pharaoh and his men, swallowing them in a mighty surge. The earth trembled with Allah's justice, leaving no doubt of his omnipotence. Miracles happen with faith. Subscribe to Smart Story Studio. The story of Prophet Musa, AS, exhorts believers to trust in Allah, for his help is ever close, even when escape seems impossible. Moral lesson: faith is not about seeing the way, it's about trusting Allah when the way is hidden. Even when you are cornered, even when fear grips your chest, remember, Allah's help is never late. The sea split not by might, but by obedience and belief. When the world closes in, Allah opens a way no one expects. Actionable plan. 1. Strengthen your trust in Allah through regular dua and remembrance, especially when facing stress or hardship. 2. When life seems stuck, repeat this verse. Inamaya Rabbi Sayyidin. Indeed, with me is my Lord. He will guide me. 3. Obey Allah even when the logic of the world says it won't work. Faith brings unseen results. 4. Be a leader like Musa. Stay calm and trustful when others panic. 5. Today, surrender one of your biggest fears to Allah. Say, Ya Allah, I leave this in your hands, and make a sincere dua for a breakthrough. Start now. Identify one overwhelming situation in your life and place your trust in Allah with full submission. Miracles begin at the moment of surrender. What a journey through faith, failure, and God's unfailing love. If this story moved you or taught you something powerful, drop a comment below and tell us what stood out the most. And don't keep this truth to yourself. Share this video with a friend who needs some light and encouragement today. Remember, here at Smart Story Studio, we tell stories that inspire, teach, and transform lives. Subscribe now for more emotional, dramatic, and truth-filled scripture stories that shape your mind and spirit. Until next time, stay inspired, stay strong, and stay rooted in the Word.